Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by KQ Markets.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Oil prices settled higher on Friday and notched over 3.5% in weekly gains as positive economic data and signals from Fed policymakers that they could cut interest rates as early as September eased demand concerns, while fears of a widening Middle East conflict continue to raise supply risks. USD was off a one-week high, capping off a turbulent week as traders digested a drop in US jobless claims and the prospect of a looming economic downturn. USD was down against the Japanese yen following a three-day rebound as firmer-than-expected employment data spurred a paring back in bets for Federal Reserve interest rate cuts later this year. Gold prices held steady on Friday after a sharp rise in the previous session, bolstered by a dip in US Treasury yields, as investors grew confident that the Federal Reserve would lower interest rates in September. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 4.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the Portuguese Consumer Price Index at 10 GMT, Germany's Wholesale Price Index at 6 GMT, Finland's current account will be released at 5 GMT, Japan's Producer Price Index at 23:50 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.